Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support. Today I did the unboxing of my new boots. Nakikita niyo yung address ko kung saan ako nakatira. Order na naman ako. Ganito lang talaga buhay, guys. Reward yourself because you are the one working, so nobody will give you gift. Only you. Me. Only me. Only me. Yes. Yeah. I ordered it online and they deliver it 2 days ago. You know what I love the most is bags and shoes and foods. 3 things that makes me happy: foods, shoes, and bags. Yan. Yan ang nagpapasaya sa akin. Of course, money. Charan! I order a new shoes. I order a new shoes. It's a boots. Winter boots. Gumana kasi yung boots ko, guys. Hindi naman ako palagi namimili. Bumibili lang ako pag gusto ko ng bago. Okay pa naman siya, kaya lang gusto ko bumili kasi nakita ko siya naka-sale. This is cost I think 70 pounds. 70 pounds, and then with it nag-sale siya, naging 30 pounds. Yeah, 30 pounds I think. Naka-light ay naka-video nandiyan kasi yung resibo sa cellphone ko. This is Skechers. Pan kasi ako ng Skechers, so masakit kasi yung paa ko pag hindi Skechers yung aking shoes. Mataba kasi, mabigat. Simple explanation. Kailangan natin ng cushion sa paa. Yan guys, ang ganda diba? Yan. Boots to. Hindi ko pa siya nasusuot Hindi ko pa siya nasusuot. Kasi susuotin ko lang siya pag nagsimba ako kasi may heels siya. Hindi kasi ako sanay sa heels. Hindi ako sanay na may heels yung aking shoes. I'm always wearing flat shoes. So this is the one I buy for myself. Dalawa sila. So it's 30 pounds. I don't know how much it's in peso. Times 76, guys. Comfy siya malambot yung insole niya, kaya gusto ko talaga Skechers. Dami kong unboxing, guys, no. Ito kasi wala akong pasok wala akong ginawa kundi mag online shopping, guys. Alam mo, sinasamantala ko mamili dahil naka-sale siya. Hindi ako bumibili ng mahal. Of course, yes, mahal siya. Original price is expensive. And ayoko bumili ng expensive na ganun kasi I know the drill. Bababa yan. Hintayin mo pagbaba siya. Wait, is Christmas Day. It's Boxing Day. I start this winter sale, summer sale, winter sale, Black Friday. There's a lot of Black Friday every month. Start of Black Friday. So I don't know so every Friday it start, and then the Boxing Day. You want to buy appliances, anything, it will cost only half price. So I got this one. So I still have a lot to unbox. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my small YouTube channel. All the best in 2026. God bless us all. Ganyan. Ganito. Ganito yata. Bye.